YouTube, what's going on? We back at it with another banger video. We on here with the Legacy channel. Today you got Mohammed, me the driver. I'm gonna be here driving the car for Legacy Jr. himself. We got his beautiful bolt-on Mustang Premium 2014. Give y'all a walk around. I love it, and if I love it, you like it, and if you like it, I love it. Head ass. All right, let's pop the hood so y'all can see what's under this bad boy. We got the Cobra Jet Mumak PMAS. There you go. God damn, that's a big ass throttle body. You can suck a baby in that motherfucker. Well, this is what we're working with. If you work it, let's work it. Put that thing back and reverse it. I'm gonna give y'all a point of view of this beautiful 2014 Mustang with the super loud exhaust. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is one bad pony, I'm not gonna lie. The car is bolt-on. We're not completely done with it yet. I think Junior wants to do E85 and a couple more bolt-ons, but the car is quick, it's fun, it makes power, and it will put your grandma in a headlock. I don't know what the fuck that means, but it means it's quick. Anyways, let's hop into this video. With no further ado, let's get it. We got 151 miles. Let's lower these bad boys real quick so we can get some sound. Woo! Oh, it's a one-way. Okay. Junior said I could drive his car however I like. He said you break it, you buy it. Joke's on him. I am broke, nigga. Fuck no, nigga. He said, hey. I said, B. Yeah, I really don't know what I should do to this car next. I hear E85 makes your car sound a lot louder. I'm trying to see what that'd be like. Woo! Y'all hear that? This car is definitely not allowed in California. This is why we're in Mexico. Should we scare these people? Fuck it. Nigga, is that a robot? What the fuck? That shit got a fucking drone on top of it. Man, I love the city. They're always making soup. Look at that shit. Hot soup. Yeah. After Junior installed those lights in front, I'm glad, honestly, because I can see a lot better now. What a great guy. One thing I love about the city, nothing is illegal. Even if you're illegal, you're still legal. Man, look at that bridge. God damn, I would never live here, but I love the way it looks. Car has a good sound to it, but it needs long tube headers and an X pipe. Right now I think we got an H pipe, and H pipe sounds like a lot more muscly, but an X pipe will for sure make this shit sound a lot better. What is it that cities just never make sense? Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. But that nigga's going that way, we are going this way. Oh my god, it smells like shit over here. What the fuck? Why does it smell like that? Oh, hell no. You know, they said they passed a law where you could take a shit on the floor out here if you wanted to. I wonder if that's true. This is probably not a smart place to like downshift like that, honestly. I'm gonna do it again. The way I'm driving this vehicle through these streets, you would assume, look, those boys right there again. You would assume that we're in Texas, because this car is loud as the fuck, nigga. You know when you get that little like spider senses and shit in your balls, that you feel like police are nearby? Yeah, well, I'm getting that in my feet. It is not because it's cold as fuck out here. Oh, this guy wants to race. What is that, a hybrid? Nigga, put this bitch in fourth. Give him a fighting chance. Is that police over there too? God damn, they're everywhere. Oh, that's fucking cheating. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Got the fuck out his ass. Didn't even see it coming. God damn it, boy. That shit sounds insane. This nigga has this girl out here walking at 3 in the morning. Could never be me. Should I scare him? I was kind of fucked up. I'm sorry. Y'all ever get, y'all, the fuck? Nigga, I speak in Portuguese. Do y'all ever get like those internal thoughts where you just want to meow, you know what I'm saying? But not fully, just like half throttle meow. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Oh yeah, all the fucking little Zodiac horse would love this car right here. It's a party, it's a party? Huh? It's, I don't know. Shit, you don't know, I don't know either. Hold on. They ain't never seen this move before. Yeah, maybe we should get better brakes. That might be a good idea. Traction control's off. Oh yeah, it's over. This guy's cooked. Let's see if he wants to smoke. Oh, security. You want to race? Me either. Oh my God. Why is this so fucking steep? Who the fuck invented this? Go, buddy, go ahead, go ahead. What the fuck? Taking too long. Can't you see I can't see shit? I wonder what a, oh. Yeah, it works. Sorry. Let's go this way. What kind of dog is that? What kind of dog is that? It's cute. Oh fuck, okay, all right. A Tesla? How do y'all feel about the Tesla Roadster? I feel like low-key they need to come up with that shit already, but if they're gonna come out with it, I think it's gonna be like 200 bands. So at that point, it's like not a lot of people are gonna own it. Only Only God knows why I don't have long tubes right now. It would be very dangerous. Look at this shit. This carbon fiber looks amazing, man. This is very awkward. Yeah, I gotta get up out of here. Is he still looking at me? Yeah, he's still looking at me. Okay. Is that a Corvette? Ah, I need a vet in my life. Z06 only though. Can I go straight here? I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, this guy wants to race in the fucking Mini Cooper? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh shit! I did not expect that fucking hill. This is why I don't like Mexico, bro. This is not supposed to be like this. Why does it say one way, but everybody's going straight? I told you, everything here is legal. Even if you're illegal, you're illegal. This is why we buy Teslas, because these niggas don't know how to drive. You know what? I got a complaint to make. We're gonna follow these guys. Oh, I'm gonna give them, I'm gonna let them have it for sure. I'm gonna tell them exactly how I'm feeling. I'm gonna stand on business. Never mind. That's for sure boys right there. We're just gonna slowly, and that might be him following me. We do not know. But my car sounds like a Prius right now thanks to this cutout, so I'm not really too worried about that. Is that a Scat Pack? I'd gap that. I'm a rapper now. Oh, you try to get away. God damn, your lights are bright as fuck. Oh, I know this park. My uncle used to sell coke here. He stopped doing coke, not selling it. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing, dead ass. That was which way do I go? Shit's weird as fuck. It says do not enter. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna enter. Do not go on red, only go on red. What? What the fuck? My nigga, what the fuck are you doing? miles per hour. We're taking this shit at 80. Fuck it. Okay, alright. Yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video and want more of these type of videos, leave a like, subscribe, comment. It's your boy Muhammad. I'll see y'all next time. Late.